What's up, YouTube? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a big thank you video. I recently broke 800 subscribers. Just want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel and for leaving comments and likes on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube videos. It's been a wonderful ride so far. I'm enjoying posting a lot of the catches that I have seen, whether it's truck spotting or rail fan. I'm glad to see that all of you are liking the content that is posted on the videos. I'm making some changes to the channel, which I think will um, enhance the experience a little bit more. I'm not going to give those away, but all my recent videos have been uploaded. Just waiting on some new stuff to come out where I can share some of the new catches and incorporate some of the new changes that I'm making. So, hope you all enjoy the changes that I'm making um, as time goes along. One thing that I will say is I've got some tribute video. I got a tribute video of it for the Eshta Ice Train derailment. That has been posted on September 22nd of this year. Marks the 25th anniversary of the Sunset Limited disaster. There will be a very special tribute video on that, and the 1988, December 11, 1988 disaster at Clapham Junction, which was a British rail disaster. That's going to mark 30 years this year. So that's going to be a tribute video for that. I did miss the Chase derailment, the Chase Maryland derailment. Last January, not this past January, before last, marked 30 years. I may wait until that gets another few years on that one. And then the Silver Springs derailment happened. It's now been 22 years ago, on February of 1996. So I might be able to squeeze that one in. So I'm going to try to do it where it's appropriate, like 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, things like that. So there are just a few of the things that I will be posting later. Truck spotting will continue again as the school has started up, and I haven't had time for that, but have made some time for some trains. So I have a compilation that is in the works. I just have had to put it. I've had to put it on hold because of school. But that will be out whenever that gets done. Hopefully, it'll be in the next few days. I'll be able to get that out there for you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my content. Please leave comments and likes on the videos, and if you like what you see, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the video, about like a certain locomotive in the video, let me know in the comment section below, because I'd love to hear from you. So thank you guys very much for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you guys in the next rail adventure. Peace out, guys.